Hello everyone and welcome to today's video where we will be discussing the top 5 best electric fondue sets on the market. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or just want to enjoy some fondue with your family, an electric fondue set is a great investment for your kitchen. If you want to buy these products, check the description below. I will include the product link. You must subscribe to the channel before watching the video. If you want to watch such videos, please like, share and comment. First up, we have the Nostalgia 6-cup stainless steel electric fondue pot set. This set includes a 6-cup fondue pot, 6 forks, and a heating base. The pot is made of durable stainless steel and has a non-stick coating for easy cleaning. The adjustable temperature control allows you to heat your fondue to the perfect temperature. This set is perfect for small gatherings and is an affordable option for those who are new to fondue. Next, we have the Hamilton Beach 3-quart 3QT copper electric fondue pot set. This set features a 3-quart fondue pot with a copper finish, 8 fondue forks, and a temperature control. The pot is made of high-quality stainless steel and has a non-stick coating to prevent food from sticking. This set is a great option for those who want a stylish and functional electric fondue set. Third on our list is the Cuisinart CFO3SS 3-quart electric fondue pot set. This set features a 3-quart fondue pot, 8 forks, and a temperature control. The pot is made of stainless steel and has a non-stick coating to prevent food from sticking. The temperature control is adjustable, allowing you to heat your fondue to the perfect temperature. This set is a great option for those who want a high-quality fondue set from a trusted brand. Fourth, we have the Total Chef 8-person raclette and cheese fondue set. This set includes an electric raclette grill and a cheese fondue pot. The raclette grill can be used to cook meat, vegetables, and more, while the cheese fondue pot is perfect for making delicious cheese fondue. This set is perfect for larger gatherings and is great for those who want to experience both raclette and fondue. Finally, we have the Crock-Pot 6-quart Cook Slow Cooker. This set features a 6-quart slow cooker that can be used for cooking a variety of dishes, including fondue. The slow cooker has a temperature control and a removable stoneware insert that is dishwasher safe. This set is perfect for those who want a slow cooker and fondue set in one and is great for those who want to cook their fondue low and slow. In conclusion, there are many great electric fondue sets on the market, and choosing the best one for you will depend on your needs and preferences. Whether you're looking for a small, affordable set or a larger set with a raclette grill, there is an electric fondue set out there for you. We hope this video has been helpful in your search for the best electric fondue set. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more great videos.